Hello there, guys and girls. One lovely day to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Come over here, join me for my late lunch. Hold on. Sign of the cross, of course. Welcome to my day 24. Day 24 of not eating meat, like pork, beef, chicken. I have here a scrambled egg. It's some kind of omelette style. And 2 pieces of dried fishes, flying fish. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Love it. Let me taste. Mmm. Salty but delicious. Mmm. 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 That's great. Just remember that Lord save us from sins and redeem our souls. Mmm. Just a little sacrifice. Remember day 24 of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken. Sorry. Mmm. Bye for now.